The Grenada Development Bank says the response received from people interested in the loan on offer for government contract workers has been overwhelming. The loan facility, which was disclosed publicly last month, is open to imanis, traffic wardens, and any contract worker being paid directly by government. GDB's communications officer, Crystal Benjamin Jerome, was a guest on the Government Information Service on Monday, providing answers to interested applicants. The first question is, what qualifies a contract worker for a loan?
The first is that you are obviously a contracted employee of the government of Grenada, because that's who the loan was created for. And not only do you need to be on contract, but it means that you should have been on contract for a minimum of 3 years. If you're quite close to 3 years, we probably can consider something. But for now, we're asking that you are 3 years minimum. And we also ask that you have a debt service ratio of 50%. What does this mean? This means that only 50% of your salary should be used to repay that mortgage loan. And your 50% left over would be for what you usually do outside of the mortgage loan.
Communications officer further explained the documents applicants are required to have for the particular loans.
It's a mortgage loan, like I said, and you are expected to undertake something in the housing sector. So that is the purchase of land or the purchase of house. You can build a house, you can renovate your house, you can install climate resilience initiatives such as solar water heaters or panels, LED lights, drainage, back walls, and anything that relates to climate change mitigation and adaptation. In terms of documents, the documents would be basically the kind of documents that you would need for any mortgage. So if you're purchasing land, we would expect you to have the sale agreement. If you're purchasing a house, you should also have the sale agreement. We would expect the property that you're purchasing to be valued. If you're building, we would expect you to have your construction estimate. If you are building again, you must receive approval from the physical planning unit. So we'd expect you to have your plan approved by physical planning. We'd expect you to have your proof of employment, job letters, pay slips, your bank statements as the case may be, and basically any other documents and information requested.
Then the question is, what is the maximum an applicant may qualify for?
There isn't a minimum, but a maximum amount that one can qualify for under that particular loan is $375,000. And that loan will be repaid over a 30-year period or retirement age, whichever one comes first, at an interest rate of 3%.
The proposed loan facility is piloted via the Grenada Development Bank as government commits to injecting $10 million in tranches towards this initiative. Joseph Kador, GBN News.